This is a video on Gmail. So I've been using Gmail for years, and every time I click on an email, there's no way to, like, if I delete it, it always takes me back to the inbox. For years, I've been using this, and I never thought, hey, I wonder if there's a way to change it. Well, I explored the settings. If you go into settings and then settings, you have to go is advanced. The old way, it used to be under general. It's not there anymore. I was looking through the whole thing. It's not there. Go to advanced. And the first option says auto advance, show the next conversation instead of your inbox after you delete, archive, snooze, or mute a conversation. You can select whether to advance to the next or previous conversation in the general settings page. So I'm clicking enable, and where's the general? So I guess once we activate that, I'm going to save the change, and then we can test it. Go here, let's look at one of these. So I'm going to delete this. Let's see what it does. It still took me to the inbox. So I guess there's a second setting that I have to switch now. All right, so what I had to do was I actually had to close the browser, reopen it up, and then, only then, because I did click save. So when we were on that, I went to advanced. I made the change to auto advance. I clicked that. I clicked save. But for whatever reason, it didn't fully go in until I closed out of the browser, brought it back up, and then went into settings. And under general, suddenly there was a new setting here. This right here was not there before, auto advance. This is where you want to click it. And so to go to the previous older conversation is what I have selected, or go to the next. I think I'll choose go to the next. No, go to the next newer conversation. I'll go to the older, because usually you start at the top and work your way down. So that's the deal. So that's how you fix this. If you've been using Gmail all these years and just been going back to the inbox and saying, what the heck, man, this is how you do it. I swear I've been using Gmail since it came out, and it's now 2019, and I'm finally, well, you know what? Let's make sure that this works. So I guess it's saved. Going back to my inbox, let's find an email that I don't care about. Security alert. Gonna click delete. Let's see what we get. Oh, right to the next one. Very good. So it works. All right, so I hope this works for you too. If it does, leave a thumbs up and a comment. And it's not so much for me, but it's for the people watching this video after you. It'll let them know if it works or not, or if it didn't, because chances are they're going to go straight to the comments. So let them know there. The thumbs up will help this reach them more easily, and they don't get buried if I did a good job. Obviously, I try to get right to the point. Right now, I'm a little rambling, but this is after the fact. Hopefully, you fixed your problem. You saw the fix. You saw the setting, and just do it for the people that come in after you to let them know if this was good advice or bad advice. This is Technuba. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time.